Yo, look, change of scenery. We outside. I low-key just wanted to do this because I know y'all hate it if like y'all just see me in my room and I'm just like right here in front of y'all's face and everything. So I wanted to change some things up and do a little bit of editing for y'all so then it can be way more clearer for y'all and y'all don't gotta be like looking at like me trying to point at a screen and everything. I'll literally have it all marked off here for you. But yeah, today we ended off pretty break even, bro. We only made like $185 today. So hey, we gonna take a win. You just gotta put it in perspective, bro. A break even day better than a loss, and a loss is better than a blown account. And I don't know what's worse. I guess going into like debt with funded accounts. I don't know. But hey, we took $185 combined on the accounts. Today market, bro, it was just dumping, bro. Like I tried going for longs. Like I didn't try going for longs. I was trying to look for a long setup, but I could not find anything. Literally no long setups, and I didn't really get any retracements too in that short. Like that was in Nasdaq, bro. Like no, there's nothing. So let's get into the trades and everything, bro. Let me explain it to y'all why I took this trade. So let's get into that. Okay, so first of all, bro, my daily bias was a manipulation and reversal for New York session because London session was consolidation. I marked off my London lows, London highs, Asian lows, and as soon as New York opened, dumped straight away. Literally just dumped and took out every single low that you could imagine, bro. So I looked on the higher time frame. I looked on the 4 hour and saw there was a 4 hour fair value gap. And then I was like, yo, I bet, okay, we're just going to look for a retracement off of this gap. And it was in equilibrium too. So we just waited and waited and waited and waited and waited. Nothing, bro. It just kept dumping and dumping. And then more later on, I figured out that it's because PayPal released their earnings and they didn't beat their earnings. So it low-key made those tech stocks go down a lot. And some other tech companies released their earnings too. So it made everything just go down. So after I figured this out, I was like, okay, I'm going to have to switch things up. I need to switch up my bias because I've seen this before. This literally happened yesterday, except this is the opposite. Yesterday, just only buys. No retracements, just only buys. I've literally seen this, but this is just the opposite of it. So I thought to myself, okay, bet. Let's find a short setup. So, boom. We literally come in and we seen that, okay, there's a 5-minute break of structure right there. Then we saw fair value gap retracement. And before the market has actually opened, there was a high time frame SMT before market open. So I literally could have taken this into consideration, but low key I did not because I woke up late today. I woke up a little bit late today, so I just got to school, marked off everything, and then just going off my daily bias. I was like, okay, I'll just wait till market open and then just see what trade we can take. But if I would have seen the high time frame SMT, I would have been maybe thinking stuff more differently, and I would have been like, okay, this is gonna be a sell-off, bro. But hey, and then yeah, like literally I was just trying to target daily lows and we just ain't take it, bro. So here is the amount we have in the accounts. Original account and new account. And then here are the trades that we took, the amounts right here. And you can see that the calendar is looking really good for both of the weeks. And bro, literally our P&L is looking good, is going up, and we have no drawdown on any of the accounts. Bro, honestly, these accounts, we are doing really good. Tomorrow, I'm going to get charged on the original account. I'm still on my eval phase, right? But I honestly think I got a good feeling about this. Hopefully, I do pass it. Maybe tomorrow, I'm not going to be looking for a trade. If I find a good setup, I'm going to take it. But if I don't, we don't trade. No. But Thursday and Friday, definitely going to look for some trades. But, hey, we doing good, bro. We actually doing really good. So far now like all green on this week, or so far green on all this week, and last week I was all green too. So hey, we doing good. But I want to know how y'all doing on y'all's trading. Y'all let me know how y'all doing on y'all's trading. Honestly, I've been doing good. Y'all can see literally the trades that I take and everything. So hey, this pretty short video, I wanted to get the editing down and wanted to do something different for y'all because I wanted to make this more interesting and not just something that's like boring, bro. No. So this is me doing something for y'all. And hey, y'all let me know how I did on this video. I want to hear some feedback from y'all. And hey, you know, if I don't trade tomorrow, it's all right. Thursday, Friday, we gonna look for something. But if we don't, it's all right, because I'll just see you on the next trade.